Yes, the big news that we're currently tracking. Karnataka High Court all set to pronounce the hijab verdict shortly from now. This is going to be a debate on right to religion versus campus discipline. Let's hope this is time for closure now after this month-long campus stir. Remember, we saw violent protests turning out in many districts of Karnataka as several saffron-clad boys came right outside college, saying that if hijab is allowed inside educational institutions, then they too must be allowed to wear saffron shawls. This debate raged on, with the High Court taking up the matter from a single-judge bench, went to a three-judge bench, and now finally the verdict is due to be pronounced in just moments from now. 10:30 is the time that the court has given. In a little while, we'll know exactly what the verdict would say, whether it would allow hijab inside educational institutions or not, whether this is an essential religious practice or not. These are points that will now finally be cleared by the Karnataka High Court's verdict. Here are visuals on the left-hand side as police deployment now in place ahead of the Karnataka High Court's verdict. The police security teams, they're being sensitized. They're being spoken to ensure that they maintain law and order effectively. Let's hear it.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಜೊತೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಪರ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಪೋಷಕರಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಪಕ್ಷದವರಾಗಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೀರ್ಪನ್ನು ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
There you have it. The police there sensitizing the police team. A large deployment has now been placed across several volatile districts of Karnataka, including Shimoga, Udupi, Mangaluru, Kundapura area. Pramod Madhav is in fact in Shimoga. Pramod, over to you. We see the police now being sensitized. Early this morning, police deployment has been effectively deployed. In fact, the police commissioner, Kamal Pant itself, has said that no protests will be allowed anywhere in the state of Karnataka. Section 144 has been imposed in several districts and police deployment in large scale. We see that police are being sensitized. Do you see similar situation on ground in that very tense district of Shimoga?